Alright, trying to find a leak on my car's AC system. And what I want to do is connect that to that. Went to Home Depot. This is a 1/4 inch flare. This is a 1/4 inch brass. After much looking and asking the plumber dude there, he didn't know. I found this. I don't know if you can read it. 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch fit. He didn't know what the fit meant either. Anyhow, that's the guy you want. There's the part numbers. 584926 LFA-16. Here, Joe. Hold up. So you don't need those. You just need that and that. And tighten it all up.